Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to schedule a post on TikTok. If you've been wondering how to set a specific time for your TikTok video to go live, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon to create your video, just like you normally would. However, when you get to the next screen, you'll notice that TikTok only gives you the option to post the video right away. Now, if you want to schedule your post but don't see that option, here's a quick workaround. Instead of posting immediately, save your video as a draft and come back later to post it manually. But, of course, this isn't fully automated. To truly automate the process, we need to switch over to TikTok's web version. Head over to your browser and go to TikTok.com. Once you're on the site, make sure to request the desktop version of the site. This is a crucial step because the scheduling feature is only available on desktop. Now, log into your TikTok account and access the upload section. If you don't see the upload option, it may be due to restrictions in your country. But don't worry. If that happens, you can try using your desktop browser, and the option should appear. Once you're logged in and on your TikTok account, click the Upload button. This will take you to the Creator Center. From here, click on Select Files and choose the video you want to upload. Once the video is selected, you'll see the option to schedule video. This feature is available only on desktop. If you can't find it on mobile or browser, this method will definitely work for you. After selecting Schedule Video, click Allow, and now you can set the exact date and time you want your video to go live. Once you've set your preferred time, simply click Schedule, and you're all set. It's really that simple. Now, your video will automatically post at the scheduled time without you having to be there to hit post. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.